The Honeywell 9 Series wireless portable doorbell with halo light and push button represents the premier in performance and versatility. This wireless doorbell and push button are easily accessible and easily installed, allowing wall mounting or to be placed standing on a table or shelf. The doorbell comes equipped with an illuminated halo and LED strobe alerts that flash when the button is pressed, and you will also be alerted by any of the 8 pre-installed 90 decibel tunes. Reaching up to 450 feet, this doorbell can be connected with up to 6 transmitters simultaneously, and the doorbell is 100% wireless, running on 4 C batteries, lasting up to 5 years. Inside the box, you'll find the doorbell, push button mounting bracket, USB cable to add additional MP3 tunes, all mounting hardware, and instructions. The push button has an illuminated LED ring, is weather resistant, and is wireless push button compatible. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.